Hey guys, we're here at the Cholistan Desert Rally, just about to leave. We had a wonderful time. Just wanted to make sure I thank some important people who helped me get here. Starting out with Mr. Adnan Siddiq from the Blue Dot, Mr. Abdullah Khan from Foxtrot TV, Mr. Nadir Magzi, Mr. Nusrat Ali, thank you so much for having me, you guys. Mr. Haris Nisar, Mr. Hamad Anis, and Mr. Talha Ghori, and Mr. Malik Riaz. There are lots of other people. We met wonderful, wonderful people. If I'm missing somebody out, I got much more love for you in my heart, you guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to click that like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the buttons. And remember, Karachi Quads, your #1 station for FPV content. This is Abdul Aleem signing out. Okay, so what we're doing now is here we're in the middle of the desert. Malik Riaz sahab hamare saath hai. And we're stopped here. Look at us, look at all around us. देखिए पूरा गोल घूमे हम यहाँ पे बस खड़े हुए हैं. अब हमें पता नहीं है कि हमने सीधे हाथ जाना है उल्टे हाथ जाना है. यहाँ सामने से गाड़ियाँ जा रही हैं. We don't know where they're going. We don't know where they're going. There's a fork in the road and we're waiting in the middle of the desert. What fun. Cholistan Jeep Rally, yo. Ah!